Okay, welcome back. RSL Field App Part 2. As you now know, some of the app is up and running a lot better. So from this point onwards, you can use it to edit the calls. You can complete the call while you're at the customer's house. The only part that's not functional at the moment is the adding or deleting of parts, so we won't cover that at all. So when you've arrived at the job, you're logged in. First thing you do is you click on the Arrive tab. It will then change the status of the job to being at the property. Just like the old app was on Web Engineer, this is very, very similar in every way. Check model details, always check serial number, product number, PNC. If there's anything different, click on the Edit the Appliance button and you can then change any of the data in those boxes there. Once you've changed it, click on Save Appliance. Same with the customer. If they're going to give you another phone number, or we spelled the name wrong, or they want to give you an email address, fill in the fields, then click Save Customer. As you scroll down the job, you will see the call details, the reported fault, any policy numbers or authority numbers will be in there. Part here is the engineer's description. This is what you found wrong with it. So, say for sake of argument, PCB's faulty. Obviously we don't go into sort of real detail about why they're faulty. So you would fill that in, bits that are faulty, just like it's being done now. That seems to be just about absolutely everything that could possibly go wrong with that one. Action taken, this is the part that the engineer or what you have done to it. So say you fitted a motor or you fitted a PCB. In this instance, the price of the repair went over the insurance limit, so you just fill in the action that you've taken. That would then get run through and another process would take place. Once you've done that, any parts that were going to be fitted would be in here. We're not touching those at the moment. That will be part 3 of the job. Once you've done that part, click on the Edit Inspection button. This is where you do your ELI tests. Make sure you fill in all the ELI results if you possibly can. There are some instances obviously where you can't do it. If you can't do it for whatever reason, make a note in the box. Earth continuity, insulation, all very standard sort of things, should be done on every call. Again, there are some minor exceptions where you won't be able to do it, but make sure they're done as much as possible. Gas guys, soundness test, working pressure, ventilation checked, they will need to be filled in. Working pressure. Obviously with the flue, well, we don't have any fluid appliances at the moment, so you won't ever use that one. Come down to here, Electrolux component code, defect code. These are the bits that you fill in for the fault code, so they'll either be in your book or those of you that's got the QES app can use that as well. Once you've filled in the fault codes, click on the Appliances Safe to Use tab, which is just there. So you click on that. Down here, is the warranty correct? We do need this filled in. There's a little dialog tab there that you can just press on. If there's no issue, click on that and then click Save. Once you've done that, click on the Close button and then complete the job. That's it. All done.